This week we're talking about beaches, cocktails and holidays. Hi, I'm Sam Nordberg. Welcome to Mini Weekly Training, and this week, as I said in the beginning, we're talking about all things beaches and cocktails and relaxing. Okay, we're actually not talking about holidays, as I said at the beginning, but instead what I want to talk to you about is a retreat. Part of the reason I want to talk to you about this, of course, is because Amanda and I are running the World Domination Retreat in Fiji, so there really will be cocktails and beaches. But it's more important than that, and what I want to talk to you about is how you can implement mini retreats into what you do without having to come all the way to Fiji. Although, of course, if you'd like to come to Fiji, we'd very happily have you there. So what is a retreat? Well, a retreat is simply time away from all the normal stuff you do so that you can focus on something important. For example, I normally work from my home office, as you can see here. The problem with that is just outside this door is everything else that needs to be done in this house. The laundry, the cleaning, the cooking, the organising, whatever else is all just right there. And the problem with that is that you never really truly feel far enough away from it. I close the door, as you can see, I pretend it doesn't exist. A retreat is about getting away from all of that and using your time to focus on something. So people regularly go on things like writers' retreats where they go away for a period of time just to focus on writing. I've often gone on content retreats. If I've got a new course to create or something to produce, I go away for a period of time just to focus on outlining that course, to really start to get clear in my head of all the stuff I'm doing. This retreat process applies to anything. It doesn't matter if you're designing a new product range, writing new content, if you're launching a new course, whatever it might be, you can use a couple of hours away where you focus on one specific thing. Notice some things here. Number one, first of all, I said away. The thing about a retreat is it's much better done if it's not inside the place where you normally are. It doesn't have to be big and expensive. Of course, Fiji is amazing, and come and spend 6 days in Fiji with me. You know you'd love it. But it doesn't have to be Fiji. You can have a retreat at your local coffee shop. It costs you about $4 for a coffee. Although, let's be honest, it's more like 5 or 6 for a friggin' coffee at the moment. But it doesn't cost you a lot of money to go away for a couple of hours. Your retreat might be a beautiful villa or country house that's just down the road from you where you invest in one night's stay, or maybe a fancy hotel in the city. It might be a week away, somewhere else where you can really get away. Or it might be as simple as a trip to the park and sitting at the local picnic table for a couple of hours. Your retreat goes from costing you nothing, a trip to the park, to costing you a fair bit of money, a week away, somewhere like Fiji, where you can really enjoy your time. But the moral of the story is the same. What you've done is you've removed yourself from your normal surroundings and given yourself time to focus. That's the second thing there is time. You have to allocate a block of time to this retreat. It might be a couple of hours, it might be a week, but you need to dedicate that time to doing the thing you're going to do. Plan it in your diary, schedule it, seriously block out that time, and while you're there, avoid all the normal crap that you would be doing. The blogs, the videos, the social media. Try and really focus on the thing you went away for. The other thing about the retreat idea is it takes you away from all the normal family and friends that get inside your head. Now, I'm not saying you don't have a great support system, and my family and friends are pretty awesome when it comes to my business. But sometimes I still need time to just get away and to really understand what I want to do and what I'm trying to implement. So my challenge for you this week is to book yourself a retreat. Now, of course, if you'd like to come to Fiji with myself and Amanda Foy, then I would love to see you there, and I'll stick the details down below. But this is more than that. This isn't just about a retreat in Fiji, and if you can't do that, then what I want you to do instead is promise yourself some time for you to get away. Even if it's 2 hours at the local coffee shop or a picnic down at the local park, today I want you to commit to booking yourself a retreat where you can go away for a small period of time to focus on something specific. So down below, tell me, where are you going to retreat? How long are you going to retreat for? And book it in, sort it out, because now's the time, and if you don't do it now, it will never happen. So as always, I will see you in the next video.